All right, what day? How long has it been since that video or that previous clip?
A week.
A week.
Yeah.
It's been a week since. What we do again?
God damn, it's hot. Oh, currently on the side of the road. Well, parking lot on the side of the road.
That wasn't my question.
What'd you say?
I said, what did we do in the last clip?
Oh, what did we do? I thought you said, what are we doing? Well, last clip we went to, what's it called? Monkey, whatever, Gas Monkey? Grace Monkey? Gas Monkey?
Garage?
Gas Monkey Ice House to look for Han, but it's way too many people. We need to get to see Han.
All right, and then we're a week later now?
A week later, we came out with Henry to see a piece of shit truck for him, and he didn't like it. So now we're out here way out in, what is this area?
I don't know, we're out somewhere.
Like somewhere out here, and my power steering decided to snap off.
What are you doing now?
I'm trying to pull it off so I can go swap it out.
Okay.
I'd be damned if I'm paying $20 for a core.
Did it overheat?
It started overheating because the belt snapped.
Damn. What kind of truck is this?
This is a 95 F350 Power Stroke.
Really?
Yeah, what are the rags? Vinny, what'd you do with the rags?
I didn't touch the rags.
God damn it.
You didn't tell us it's a dually.
It's a dually.
What else is special about it?
It's got ZF5 transmission, you know how that goes.
What's that for the viewers that don't know what that is?
That is a 5-speed manual transmission.
Ah, okay.
Made by a German company, I believe.
So it got 3 pedals.
It's got 3 pedals in there. 4, including the parking brake.
Ah, okay. Can you tell us what mods you've done to this truck?
I've done 180cc injectors.
Man, you got some baby ass injectors.
Yeah, some baby ass, and there's some tiny injectors.
Alright.
CC, I think they're CC, I don't remember. They're big ass, I doubled the size of the injector and put a bigger turbo in it.
What size? What size is that turbo?
That's a great question. It's a KC 300 something, I can't remember. That's not the size, but that's the model. I don't remember what size it is. I want to say it's like a 76, but it's been years since I installed it.
Now, how much power are you making?
I'd like to say 400, but I have a boost leak right now, and I'm not even running the right oil pump, so I'm not getting the right pressure in the injectors like I want.
Damn.
Yep.
Sounds like a pretty clapped out build.
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit. I don't really drive it as much as I want to either.
Man, fuck it.
I'm about to crash out, guys.
Why?
This clamp won't come off.
Hey viewers, can we reach out? Help them?
Yeah, send me some money so I can just go ahead and restore this whole truck.
Spam that like button, you'll help them out. And subscribe.
Save me, please.
Alright. Well,
I guess we'll get back whenever we get this off.
Alright, we'll be back.
Toodles.
Alright, we got the pump out. It's in the bag. Nah, fuck it. It's in the bag. Ugh. Alright, I showed them the pump. You got it out.
Oh. Wrong pump?
Yeah. Oh, fuck me. Why is there glass here?
I don't know. I threw it out of the bed, you know?
Alright.
Littering's fun.
Alright, what we doing now?
Bed?
Huh?
Did you already show them the pump?
Yeah. You want to show them again? I only opened the bag like halfway. Look, yeah, fix
locked.
that for me. No, it's not locked. I just opened it.
You gotta put some muscle in it. See?
Wow, that's crazy.
It's unlocked there. It's right there. The pump's right there. See that? You see it? It's right there. It's my bag. It's trash, but they want it for core. So.
All right, where are we going now?
So we're going to O'Reilly's.
To
O'Reilly's. Not a sponsor.
Okay. And then?
We're gonna go get that pump, and hopefully it'll fit, and we can go home.
Okay.
Because I got shit to do.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, toodles. Shit. We got parts. Went to AutoZone. No, O'Reilly's. Whatever they call it. We got parts, and we found the pulley, luckily. The guy we were talking to there, he was nice, but God, he's so slow. He didn't want to do his job, to be honest.
Really?
Oh, that's not the right thread. So that was a waste. Well.
Now what?
God damn it, Ford. This is Ford's fault. Because they used a different thread on these. It's not Ford's fault. It's Master. What is it? Master Pro?
Probably.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. We'll figure it out. So you got the pump. We gotta stick it in there. See the hole in there? It's missing. See how this one's intact? See how that's like that? Cool. All right. I don't want to do this, but we gotta do this because we gotta get going. I got my tools.
Why do you have to get going?
I gotta get going. I got a party to go to.
You got a party?
I got a party to go to.
Are the viewers invited?
Absolutely, yeah. The viewers are welcome to come.
What kind of party is it?
It's a quinceañera.
Really?
Yeah. And I'm already late.
Why?
Because I broke down.
You broke down, now you're late?
Now I'm late. Because I listened to Vinny and came out to check out a truck that we didn't even get to see.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's not our fault.
It's not, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
God damn.
You got a lot of fishing rods back here.
I got all the fishing rods. I'm ready to go fishing whenever.
All right, viewers, who wants to go fishing with them?
Vinny never wants to go fishing with me.
The viewers might.
The viewers might. I'll be down.
The viewers might want to go fishing with
If the
you.
viewers want to go fishing, I'm down. Hey, it comes with the new cap. That's nice.
I can title this how to change out your power steering pump on an F350.
Exactly. How to change out your power steering fluid after the belt flies off and the pulley comes off with it. So first, you want to pick up your pulley from the ground. It's probably laying there. Then next, you want to go to AutoZone, but make sure you have somebody following you because it's not fun if you don't have anybody to give you a ride. Make sense? So, next you go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, Napa, whatever you want. And you go get one of these. You see that? See that? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to throw it at the truck.
All right, throw it at the truck.
And then walk home. Okay? Cool. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Walking?
We're going home.
We're going home. So next, get this little handy tool right here. See that? This is to pull the pulley off of what was the pump.
Really?
Yes. In some way. If I remember how to use this. Hopefully somebody didn't already mess this up. Look at that. That's all chewed up. Beautiful. Actually, we're just gonna use this one for food. Ooh, that does not feel good.
All right, looks like we'll be back when he figures this out.
Yeah. See y'all in a bit. Toodles.
All right, guys, we're back. He is trying to get the pump on, as you can see. Any comments?
No. I'm trying to get the fucking bolts back on to mount the pump up to the bracket. They're not going on. So I gotta do that before I tighten the pulley. So I don't think I'll be able to once I tighten the pulley.
Damn.
Yeah.
Now what?
I gotta keep trying. That's
Really?
it, yeah.
All right. Guess we'll be back when we get it on.
Be back in a few.
All right, we'll be back. All right, we're back. He got the pump on.
Finally.
How long did that take you?
I don't know. I wasn't keeping track.
Really?
Maybe like, what would you say, like an hour?
Hour?
An hour just to get the pump back on?
It's crazy.
This seal doesn't seem right.
What seal?
This one right here. I don't know if that's... Oh well, we're gonna send it and get home and figure it out once we get home.
Chud life.
Yep, Chud life. I should really be changing the whole fucking, this is like the lines and everything out. But I changed this line out like a year and a half ago, and immediately it went out, and I haven't replaced it since.
Chud life.
Yep, Chud life.
The viewers checking for some earwax.
Yep, go ahead. Hey, what size is this? Do you remember? 18? 17?
Oh no. How do you like them?
Oh no, dude. Old enough to be my mom?
Shit.
My nose itches. No, my face itches.
Now the viewer's gonna scratch it for
Yeah,
you.
please.
Where does the viewer
Right
scratch?
here. Right here. Yeah, thanks.
Alright.
Appreciate it. That actually worked. Your girl's gonna get jealous over there in the truck.
Shit, probably.
It's fine. That's why she doesn't like you hanging out around me. She knows I can steal you at any moment. But I won't.
Any other comments?
No, just a slow process of just tightening this because it's not loose. You know, it's stiff line. And then I can put fluid in it, and then I can go home.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. You go home to viewers?
Yeah, I'm going home to all of y'all, and we'll go to each and one of your houses, say hi, eat everything in your fridge.
Chud life?
Chud life.
Yeah.
You know?
I have a lot of viewers. You're gonna be doing a lot of eating.
I'm gonna be doing it for a while, so yeah. Don't expect it to be quick.
Alright. Alright, we'll be back when this is done.
Alright, toodles.
Alright guys, pouring in the fluid now.
Yep. Kind of just have to guesstimate it.
How much fluid do they need?
About that much.
Okay. That wasn't a lot.
It wasn't, but I'm probably gonna have to add more later.
We should add more right now.
Nah, it's fine. I gotta run it or else it's gonna overflow.
Really?
Yep.
Alright.
This is what it looks like working on a 7.3 that's always leaking.
Really?
See? Alright, let's put this belt on.
Alright.
Hey, show them the belt. Look at the old belt that survived a mangling somehow. Yeah, it's completely intact. I think that's a Continental belt, but I'm not sure.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Alright, let's install this
So
belt.
hopefully this belt makes it all the way home.
Hopefully.
Extra belt that I had in the cab and behind the seat. So let's hope this works. Here, I think it goes over here somehow. There. I gotta get on top. Gotta climb up. This thing. Fucking tensioner here. I have a diagram somewhere that tells me how to do this, but I'll look at it here in a second. Right there.
There's also a belt tutorial now.
Yeah, this is a belt tutorial now, guys.
Yeah, tell me what to
Pay
do.
attention. So we're gonna put this ratchet here, and then we're gonna put the belt right here, and then we're gonna loosen this, and then tighten it, and your belt will be on.
Alright.
You got a diagram right here. Look at that. Look at that. See that? See that there? It's a diagram. Now, I gotta climb my ass up here. Like I'm a fucking spider monkey.
Like a chud.
Like a chud.
Chud monkey.
Chud monkey. I should have worn some stretchier pants if I was gonna do this.
Spider chud.
Spider chud.
You might break the bumper.
Fuck. I might slip and bust my ass.
Nah, I'll be
To
alright.
be honest. Alright, so it goes this way. Shit, it goes.
Nah, we'll be back when this belt is on.
Shit.
We'll be back
Well,
when this
there.
belt is on.
Bye. Screenshots.
Alright guys. We just installed the belt. Oh wait, you should probably move all this shit out the way so it doesn't get fucking caught in the belt. God damn it.
Ah, you're fine. You're good.
Alright.
We got power steering now.
Really?
Yeah.
Now what?
Now I drive.
Chud life.
Chud life. Oh boy.
Pour some in the turbo. Okay.
That's good.
Might want to bleed it more. You might want to bleed it more.
Yeah. We'll drive down.
Now bleed it more.
Good. A little frothy, but it's okay. Alright. Put more water in it?
Yeah.
Maybe some more water, I guess. Fill all these tools up though.
Alright.
No.
We'll be back. We'll put these tools up.
Bye.